So hello everyone. Suddenly I got an error on starting my AVD. So today I will fix it out. So let's see what is the problem. From here I am trying to starting my Android 7.0 or else operating system as my virtual device, but this is not working. This is showing an error or something else. Intel HAXM is required to run this APT. VT-X is disabled in BIOS. That means our virtual technology is disabled. So this is on actually on BIOS security setting referred to documentation for computer. So first of all I have to restart my PC and enter on BIOS setting. So let's see, and I will enter on my BIOS. Now I will press F2 to enter UEFI BIOS mode, and this is my BIOS mode, and BIOS is in EZ mode. So I will enter on advanced mode. Okay, here this is the advanced panel, and I will click advanced. I'll repeat it again, advanced mode, and platform MIC configuration. So here is nothing. CPU configuration, and scroll down. So I am showing again advanced mode, CPU configuration, and here is Intel virtualization technology, and my virtualization technology is on disable mode. I will change it to onto enable. Okay, so now my VTX is enabled. So I will exit, save changes, and no, save changes. Okay, save and reset, save configuration and reset. Intel virtualization technology disabled to enabled. Okay, I will open my Android Studio. So now I will open my APD again. Here is my 3 virtual device. So I will start my virtual device. Oh, it's working now. It's working now. My emulator has been started. So my virtual device is now working. I think your problem will be solved by viewing this video. Thank you.